Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion on the lines. A quick recap of all what we have studied. How lines are formed. Lines are formed because of the three reasons. One remains to be the soul. You know, like the way it has been believed in spirituality that the soul carries the karmas and the account of the deeds done in the past lives. Second remains to be the genetics, what a child inherits from his parents. And third remains to be the fetal environment, what kind of environment a mother has got during the period of the conception. So, and second is the principles, the basic principles on which the lines are studied. So, the first principle is from where the line is originating, second is where the line is terminating, third is what all are the branches or forks coming out of that line, or the main line into consideration is receiving from the other lines, and lastly the presence of the signs and special symbols on that particular line. So these are the four principles on which any line is studied. Now coming to the headline specifically, the headline, the length of the headline tells about person's intelligence. The shape of the headline, which we are going to study right now, tells about someone's way of thinking, and lastly the clarity of the line tells about someone's concentration and focus ability. And in our last video we have also discussed that the quality of the lines can be of 4-5 categories. One remains to be whether the line is deep and clear, which is the best formation. Second is when the line is thin and clear, which just reduces the mental stamina. Then remains to be if you will find the quality of the headline to be in a broad and shallow pattern. You can also spot the headline to be in a ladder shape of formation, and the worst case is when you will find the headline in a chained formation. So all that you can just view in the last video. So comprising all of that in totality, in total, this headline tells about someone's capacity to learn. It tells about our capacity to adapt to different changing circumstances. It also tells about our power of memory. It also tells about our ability to exert self-control. So these are all the things, attributes which are being seen from the headline. So we have studied all of that. Now coming to the portion, we will study the different kind of bent of the or the shape of the headline. So how it is going to what kind of the personality traits which we can expect in the thinking pattern of an individual. So the first case is when you'll find the headline to be curved. So like the way it has been followed and believed in palmistry is that straight line tells about uncompromising, unrelenting nature, and the bend in the line tells about someone having a very flexible and very adaptable nature. So same is the case which gets applied on the headline. When you will find the headline to be with a gentle curve, it just tells about someone having very flexible thinking, very adaptable mind, someone having very good receptivity, someone being very creative, intuitive, and someone who's being more influenced by the emotions rather than the reason. And all those people whom you will find in very artistic or creative business, all the writers, poets, musicians, where you need to get into the domain of thinking and you need to have good, healthy and creative thinking process. So in all those people's hand, you will find the headline to be in a curved form. So I won't restrict that that is the only condition which is required to become a good artist or good poet. It's just like that, if the line you will find to be curved, so this is a very healthy indication of someone being succeeded and someone being becoming a successful artistic or creative person. So this is how lines are studied. Now the next case is when this curved line is, the termination of this curved line is long. So line is long and it is curving deep down on the mount of the moon. So like the way I have explained, mount of moon, mount of Luna represents our thinking process, our subconscious thinking process. So when you will find the headline which represents our intelligence and our thinking process, curving deep down, a long headline curving deep down on the mount of the moon. So this blend of two subconscious thinking patterns is just going to accentuate the thinking process of an individual. So now this will come down to a point where we need to take the help of the basic modifiers in order to understand the pattern, thinking pattern of an individual. Like the way it happens in astrology, one sign, the placement of a planet in one sign or one house doesn't tell the whole picture. You need to comprehensively do the analysis, which the nakshatra, the planet is setting, what all other planets are looking at that planet. So this is how we do the analysis. We need to funnel down all the information and then we land to one conclusion and we do the prediction. So same is the case with the palmistry. We need to check the line is clear and deep, the line is long and curving deep down on the mount of the moon. So then we need to take into consideration the basic modifiers. So let's say with this pattern, you'll also find the texture of the skin to be elastic, skin to be elastic. This would just tell about someone having very good artistic creative bent of mind. But let's say along with that, you'll find the texture of the skin to be flabby or soft. So this would remain to be the case where people will just, the person will just spend his day and spend his energy, his thinking process in idle daydreaming. And let's say the other basic modifiers. So let's say if with a good headline curving deep down on the mount of the Luna, we need to check another mental aspect, which is the outer mount of the Mars. This is our inner mount of Mars, which tells about our physical strength, and this is our outer mount of the Mars at the center of the percussion site. This is the portion which tells about our mental strength. So with this long curved headline coming on the mount of the Luna, you'll find the thumb to be firm and long. You'll also find the outer mount of the Mars to be prominent. So this would just increase the good benefits and good signification, good qualities of a healthy mind. But let's say you'll find this outer mount of the Mars to be flat, thumb to be short and pointed, and the defective long headline going on the mount of the Luna. This would just increase the negative aspect of thinking. This person would remain liable and vulnerable towards moodiness, sensitivity, too much of negative thinking. And let's say if there is a symbol of cross on the mount of the Luna, this would just indicate someone having very suicidal tendencies, someone going insane due to the mental instability. So this is how analysis is done if you find the headline to be curved. Now is the second case when you will find the headline to be straight. So like the way I have explained it to you people, that straight line tells about someone being very realistic, someone being very practical, someone being very level-headed. Now it all comes down to the length of the headline, because the termination of the line is also needs to be taken into consideration. So if you have found this headline coming like it's being so straight that it should look like that you have drawn it from a scale, from a ruler, and it is coming and touching to the percussion. So this would just intensify the the obsessiveness, the impulsiveness, and the opinionated nature of an individual, which is not good up to an extent. And like the way when we check the curved pattern of the headline, we take into consideration the basic modifiers. So same is the case with the straight headline. So a straight headline is already indicating someone being too practical, too realistic. Then we need to take into consideration the outer mount of the Mars here as well. So let's say with this straight headline, which is telling about someone being too practical, too level-headed, too opinionated, impulsive, obsessive, you'll also find the outer mount of Mars to be prominent. So this will just tell about someone being very resilient, practical. But let's say when this outer mount of the Mars, you'll find it to be flat. This will just indicate that this person would remain to be, he will he'll project himself as very practical, but when the time comes to take the decision and when the fortitude is required, this person will become fearful, because this portion, this is our outer mount of the Mars, which tells about our mental strength. So you are projecting yourself as very practical, very level-headed, but in order to support it, in order to you need to have the pedestal, you need to have the pillar of proper mental strength to support it. So this is how a straight headline could be seen as. Now next is the case when one case is that we have found the headline to be curved. Second case which we have studied is when you found the headline to be straight. Now the third case is which is a blend of both of them. So the line has traveled straight, then there is a sudden curve. There is a sudden curve on the mount of the Luna. So this indicate a certain point of time this individual has got some some change, some sudden bent of the mind. So like the way analysis is done, that we need to first check the line as a whole, then we need to check the line in small intervals by aging the lines. So this remain to be the time when this individual would remain very vulnerable due to some event which has changed his outlook towards the world. So this could be some psychic awareness, some epiphany, some sudden realization. So this point needs to be checked. This age needs to be monitored very carefully, because if other, in combination with other affliction, this could just make someone and indicate someone going insane. But with other good indication, this could also mean someone becoming embracing the ascetic robes, someone becoming too spiritual. But this point remains to be of very, very important consideration. So this is how angular drop is seen. We need to age the line, and this point of time where this sudden realization has happened needs to be monitored and studied very carefully. And the last is when you'll find the headline to be straight and going on the mount of the luna. So the line is not straight and going to the outer mount of the Mars, and line is also not curved. Line is straight and going something like this. Something like this. So this would just indicate and tell about all those artists who are creative but also very perfectionist and very level-headed and practical in their artistic pursuits. So like the way you will find all those celebrity artists or all those actors, like there's one in Bollywood, Amir Khan. He's not only creative, he's not only very good thinker, good performer, but also very practical when it comes to his creativity, and very perfectionist and very realistic. So this is how analysis is done in palmistry. We have studied different patterns, different shapes of the headline. I hope I made myself very clear in this video. In further videos, we'll check and study different aspects of the headline as well. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.